Dad, I would like you to meet Oliver.
Oh, my God.
This is my Oliver. Oliver, I'd like you to meet my mother and my stepfather.
Good evening, Oliver.
Daddy, that's just a hip way to shake hands.
Awry.
Oh!
Ma? Donna?
No. Don't make a scene, Jane. Try to control yourself.
Is there a problem, Mother?
Listen, daughter.
Don't call her doctor. What if anyone should hear you calling my child your daughter? They may think that you and I... Paul!
You don't know what I want to steer.
Look, it's not only a matter of what they want. I live here as well. Well, for the time being, at any rate. Look, make yourself at home, Oliver.
Tell the truth, Donna. I don't feel welcome. But I used to get fight. I face a universal fight.
Jane, shake hands with the gentleman.
I'm delightfully pleased to encounter the eyes of acquaintance.
Doesn't he speak English?
Let's see. We've been hearing quite a lot about you, Oliver.